Welcome to the Brainy Bubbles Kids. Learn, laugh, and grow together.
Little kittens hear the call. It's bedtime fun for one and all. Meow, meow, stretch and yawn. Follow the routine till the dawn is gone. Purr, purr, bedtime's here. Wash and brush without a fear. Meow, meow, lights down low. Sweet dreams await, let's go, go, go. First we grab our kitty brush. Scrub those teeth with a gentle hush. Up and down, around and round. Shiny smiles, no cavities found. Meow if your teeth are clean. Purr if you're the brushing queen. Purr, purr, bedtime's here. Wash and brush without a fear. Meow, meow, lights still low. Sweet dreams await, let's go, 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 go. Now into the tub we leap. Splish, splash, fun, not to tease. Rubby tub with soapy paws. Wash away the day's applause. Bubbles pop, ducks go quack. Clean and fresh, no turning back. Time for jammy, soft and snug. Button up like a cozy bug. Stripes or spots, keep your fade. Twirl around in your bedtime way. Paws in sleeves, tails tucked in. Ready for stories to begin. Purr, purr, bedtime's here. Wash and brush without a fear. Meow, meow, lights down low. Sweet dreams await, let's go, go, go. Gather round for a tale so grand of kitty adventures in dreamland. Whiskers twitch as we read along. Heroes brave, singing their song. Flip the page, eyes wide with glee. Bedtime stories set us free. Now we yawn and close our eyes under stars in midnight skies. Purr goodnight to moon and friends. Bedtime routine never ends. Dream of chases, climb so high. Wait tomorrow, say goodbye. Purr, purr, bedtime's here. Sweet dreams, my dear. Meow, meow.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.